アメリカなんだけど、もう日本みたいな感じ。見てください、この駐車場。すごいんだよ。スーパーカーもいる中で、もう日本車がすごいよね。見てください。どんどん増えてきてます。始まってまだ2、30分のところなんだけど、駐車場はどんどんいっぱいになってきました。ジョーテックさんありがとうございます。やっぱりスカイラインになるとスティーブさんがもうこの辺のスカイラインのリーダーです。スティービーはね。なんで、あ、これまたいいな。34のスカイラインの GTR。Another 34, huh? Look at these guys. What's up, guys? Looking good. Woo! Stevie, this is pretty cool, man. A lot of stuff going on. Thanks to you and your efforts and the Motive guys and a little bit of help from Hoshi too.
A little bit of help.
Just a little bit.
Keeping us hydrated.
What'd you drink, by the way?
This is the matcha iced tea.
Did you like it?
Yeah, it was great.
Thanks, man.
Yeah.
Appreciate you. And we even got gluten-free options now too.
I know, yeah.
You're part of helping me motivate
I
to
had
do
some
that.
onigiri.
Yeah.
I had the spicy tuna.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was my dinner.
That is, and gluten-free, no reactions to that, right?
No.
Awesome,
Delicious.
dude, awesome.
Yeah.
Wow, it looks like cosplay is even a little bit going on tonight too. Awesome, Hoshi, we just stepped it up, baby. わあ、日本車だけじゃなくてまたポルシェ GT3RS が来ました。いい色だよね。これもジョーテックの車でしょうか。わあ、人も増えてきたし、みんな欲しいもう食べてくれてるのかな。また中に入って覗きましょう。はい、Chase, what's up? My cameraman Eric from Oklahoma, thumbs up. Kenny, hello. This is, guys, Kenny, my buddy from Jotech. All these special cars here, all these awesome GTRs, everything else around here. McLarens too.
McLaren.
And Porsches too.
Porsches, yeah.
Everything. This guy is killing it. This is Kenny from Jotech, a very good guy.
Hi, everyone.
My neighbor, my friend, and good people. Thank you, man. Thanks for coming. This is your first time at my cafe?
Yeah.
Let's turn around this way so you can see. Let's see. Yeah, now you've been seeing it. I know you wrote me and said you want to come try it. Today, finally, you get to come try.
I saved my appetite for it.
Oh, I got delicious onigiri for you,
I brought my
Japanese
friends
style.
with me too, so.
Yes. Omayaki onigiri. I got some great stuff for you to try. There's Luna here too? Awesome. Can't wait to see her. やっぱりジョーテックが来ると人が集まります。これジョーテックは有名なチューニング会社なので、ここの車を見に来る人がこんなにいます。こんなかっこいい車がなかなかもうマクラーレンとポルシェとこれは全部バイジョーテックという感じで、この GTR もそうだし、いいな。奥さんのルナがいました。ちょっと会いに行きましょう。Luna, how are you? Nice to see you. これほらルナさんです。可愛いでしょ。ハローキティ GTR 乗りのルナです。ルナママ。And that's your son, right? Hey Chase, what's up, man? Give me some knuckles, dude. Nice. What did you drive tonight? What are you in?
I just drove my Tesla, but
Tesla?
my GTR is
Yeah.
coming right
Oh,
now.
hold on, good timing. あれ、彼女の GTR が今ちょうど到着。It's almost like we arranged that.
Yes,
And we didn't even do it.
You have like this
Perfect timing. Look at it. All right, let's go. Wow, look at that. これはルナさんの車。What is that character on the side now?
That's my lunatic character.
Oh, that's your
So
Luna,
it's a
okay.
photo of a Hello Kitty inspo in me.
I love
so
it.
she has my race suit. And
Yeah.
She has the turbo bows.
I-
So
Wait a minute. Do you have turbo bows in tonight? No
I
turbo.
have my-
Oh, you got the single turbo. Okay, gotcha.
But we have it.
The bow.
No, the turbo bow.
Nice. So cool. Thank you for coming. You haven't been to my cafe yet, have
I
you?
haven't. So Penny was telling me about it, but it looks so cool.
You're gonna love it. We got delicious Japanese food. We got onigiri. We got Japanese
Okay, what-
omayaki. We got the most delicious
What's
Japanese
the
food.
thing to try?
Our onigiri, our rice balls, are authentic. They're Texas size. They are delicious, and you're gonna love them. And I'm pretty sure this little guy's gonna like them too. We got several flavors. Chase, do you like rice balls? Have you ever had rice balls?
You do like rice,
Huh?
like ramen.
When you go in there, you're gonna try it. I think you're gonna like it. Okay? Mom's gonna get you a bunch of good stuff. So, thanks for coming. I really appreciate it,
Thank
guys.
you.
And good luck on your race day.
Bye, guys.
Give me your take on our onigiri. What's your thoughts?
This place?
Yeah.
This is kick ass. I gotta bring my daughter right there. She's gonna
Will she
love it.
enjoy that?
Yes.
How you enjoy it? Is that the spicy too?
Spicy, yeah.
So, it is premium Japanese rice, premium seaweed, salt, everything from Japan, top quality. And my thought was, if we're gonna do it, I'm gonna make them double in any other place
That's my
size-wise.
Texas size.
Texas size is what I decided to call it. So you're enjoying it?
Very much so.
Awesome,
yeah.
man. Thank you so much. We're gonna get you some air in those tires on that GTR before you leave.
Yeah.
Your windows are clean as well.
Yeah, the windows are clean.
I'm gonna take care. Oh, they are. Okay. Awesome, man. Great seeing you again after 4 years. もう4年前にこの箱塚 GTR はねあってまだコロナの時だったからゆっくりできなかったんだけど4年ぶりにまたお会いできて嬉しいです。Real happy to see you again, man. Thanks for coming out. Please bring your daughter here as well. You're absolutely welcome. Nice to see you. Thumbs up. 皆さん覚えてるシーラさんです。シーラ、thank you. What are you drinking?
That's a
The Fuji watermelon?
Yes, the Fuji
Are you
watermelon.
enjoying it?
It's delicious.
You
You
are
know
so-
what? I tried the spicy tuna.
Yeah.
It's
Really?
Oh my god, it's so good. It's so good.
I knew you would love it. Look at all these cool cars coming in. Check this out. 4-door Skylines. Look at this guy. I've never seen these cars around. What's up, bro? So cool. Look at this old Supra. I mean, the new Supra back there, too. Wow. It's a good turnout, huh?
Unbelievable.
Unbelievable.
I can't believe all the GTRs. You know, I'm like in GTR heaven.
You know what's amazing, though? With all the GTRs, there's only one Gloria here right now, isn't there? I think so. 最後に今来たのはこのスープラはかっけえよなこれかっこいいよこのボディキット超ワイドあれこれ前見たことあるような気がするこの車はすごいよな面白い Good looking ride bro Good to see you man Woo! 中覗きましょうおわエンジンルーム開けてもらったこのはねラッピングだと思ってたんだけど違うみたいよねカーブンにこれそのままの塗装だそうですエンジンルームを覗くとなかなかの車両昔も見たことあるような気がするんだけどこれもジョーテックの車ですここにある車は全部バイジョーテックです Very cool bro Very very awesome Looking so good みんなスープラ乗りが面白いんだよなまずナンバープレートから入りましょうカインダ BMW だからもうそもそもの BM だっていう意味のナンバーとこっちもまた面白い一差って It's a BMW っていうもうスープラなんだけど BMW だっていうことがもう示してるんだよねナンバープレート Very original you guys Very good これ面白いアルティマの GTR だっていうことで
If you actually look, Mr. GTR actually
Yeah.
approved it and signed it as
Oh,
well.
let me see
So he
What
was totally fine with this being logo.
But there you go. The Ultima, huh? アルティマだよね。アルティマにあんまり似てないんだけど。It looks like your average Ultima. Very cool guy. お、エンジンルームが開いたんで覗きましょう。これも GTR。これ何馬力なんだろうね。すげえ。星カフェが盛り上がってますね、今日は。いいことだ。わあ、いい車どんどん来るんだよね。ほら、フェルナンドが来ました。Mr. Fernando! Yo yo! かっこいい。そして、わあ、いろんな車が来てますよ。What's up, man? Looking good! Woo! いい匂いします。トヨタのトラックまで来ました。いい車がどんどん来る。なかなかでしょ今日の車が。Al! What's up? How come you're parked out left field all the way on the other side over there? No Hondas, huh? No, it's a Honda, man. It's a Honda, man. It's a Honda, man. It's a Honda, man. かっこいい。車がどんどんまだ来てます。すげえ。GR フェルナンドの R34 が来ました。アコスカ R3。ということは、3031のスカイラインがない、ケンメリーとジャパンがないんだけど、あとハコスカから32、3334と35の GTR バッチリだよね。うわ、3031の、スカイラインもいれば完璧だよね。Steve, we're just missing R30s, R31s. If we had an R30 and an R31 and a Ken Marion in Japan. But we got two Hakoskas and then we pick it up from R32s again, right?
Hakoska's, yeah, 32,
32, 3, 4, and 5.
Yeah.
Not a bad mix. I wish we could fill in those couple of blanks though, man.
Next time.
I'm gonna be the Ken Mary guy one of these days.
Do it.
One of these days.
Probably my favorite. I might like that more than a Hakoska.
Ooh.
Yeah.
I kind of like him a
Ken
lot
Mary,
too,
yeah.
man. Maybe not more than a Hakoska, but dude, a Ken Mary's an
It's
awesome
got
car.
that like American muscle car vibe to it.
Agreed.
Yeah.
One of my favorites. Cool, man. What a great event. Awesome. まだまだすごい車が来てます。どんどんまだまだ増えてるんで、次は今来て気になったのはこれかっこいいよねこのシルビア覗きましょう。かっこいい S これ1号かっこいいよこの車。GS モータースポーツはジャーマンさんのところの車なんで かっこいいよ。いちごテキサス。かっけー。決まってるよね。色がいいよね。白のシルビは渋いよね。なかなかだよ。わお。これ初めて日本食のおにぎり食べたことない方なので、これ初めて食べてもらいます。彼はちなみに100万人の登録者のいるチャンネルの CJ さんです。Alright man, I just introduced you. This is your first おにぎり。おにぎり。There we go. おにぎり。Rice balls. What do we got?
Got like a roast beef.
Okay. Alright. I hadn't heard that before, but is that good or?
Yeah, I got like a roast beef.
Okay.
I was really like kind of hesitant
With the seaweed?
on the seaweed, but it got a good flavor to it. Roast beef taste.
Right,
Kinda-
it's not
kinda-
stinky like the ocean, right? You don't catch that often,
No,
right?
no. Yep, it's not. It's actually good. The meat is actually good.
That's called sukiyaki beef. We make that here ourselves, and the rice, everything's premium ingredients. And I'm telling you, man, once you eat one of these, they're good because you can eat them all the time.
They got a good seasoning to it too. Listen, I don't eat nothing.
Yeah,
But when I'm used to.
yeah.
So trying this was a big step. It actually turned out to be good, man. I appreciate it.
Thank you, man. You just made my day, honestly.
Make
Thank
sure
you
y'all
so much.
come get y'all some.
That's it. Sukiyaki and hakusuki, whatever you want to call it, it's good with me. Just come by, bro. Hey, thank you, man. I do appreciate that. Thanks for trying it.
We're gonna take another bite.
Let's do it. Let's do it.
Okay, I'll take the seaweed now.
Did you get a little bit of seaweed now?
I don't like the seaweed.
You didn't like the seaweed? All right, okay. He's honest.
The seaweed got a little citrus taste.
It does come from the ocean. It does. It will tend to maybe do that a little bit, but
So you mean to tell me I'm eating all taste?
you know all that stuff that washes up on the beach. That's what you got there. We just gather it up and wash it off a little bit. Well, man, thanks for trying. I think with the beef together and one medley, you'll like it. You won't taste it. You want to try it? You want to try and taste that?
Oh, no.
No, not on your list. All right. I'm gonna get you some. Oh yeah, you had my cold brew coffee. Thanks, guys. 星カフェの中もすごいことになってます。すごい人が多くて、見てください。みんな美味しい日本ジャパニーズストリートフード食べて、のこう飲んで食べたり注文したり、チーム星がみんな一生懸命やってるんだよね。ジェイリン、ライアン、ミナトさん、ウィーさんもビーもいつもの笑顔で、ね、元気な、ね、はい、よー、ローダー、どうぞじゃあ外に行きましょう。What's up, Jonathan? It's me? じゃあ外に行って、わー、これはね、薄でモチーフビデオで、オーストラリアの方々です。まだスカイライン夜になっても誰もまだ帰らない。Abdul! How's everything? Did you sell a lot of chicken tonight? Okay, so. まあまあ。まあまあ。よよ。すごい、まだ人がいますね。まだ帰らない。嬉しいな。今日はすごい楽しい夜だったんだよね。いろいろな車が集まって日本食、日本のストリートフード、おにぎり、大判焼きなどなどの美味しいものがあると人が来ます。そしてまあいい駐車場だからこうスティーブ的店のファンもいるし、何より日本車大好きな人が多いですよね。アメリカのテキサスみたいなところでも美味しい食べ物、かっこいい車で、そこにすごい素晴らしい人たちっていう素敵なミックスじゃないですか。大好きです。皆さんチャンネル登録をよろしくお願いします。そして日々前進前向きにやっていきましょうね。よろしくお願いします。じゃあまた次回までよろしくです。3、2、1、バイバイ。